Okay, today we're playing Don't Press the Button 7. Okay, let's go. Since I have some cool new Robux. Okay, let's go.
Oh. Alright.
Oh.
What does that mean?
No, have one more chance. No, I didn't get one more chance.
I don't understand.
Look at that.
I don't understand what's happening.
No, look at that.
To what?
To that speed thing. I was speeding.
Alright.
Watch out for the rocks.
Oh. Okay, that was fast.
Oh, cool. Watch out for the stick. We're playing. Alright, suit yourself. Watch out for the wall. Oh, definitely watch out for the wall. You're too little too late.
Am I supposed to watch out? Am I supposed to watch out for the wall? How am I supposed to watch out for that?
Look, you're supposed to go in. Oh! You're a weirdo. There's nothing weird about. Thomas the Train.
Jesus. I had no warning.
I told you, Thomas the Train.
You screamed Thomas the Train as it was coming at me.
Yes.
Okay.
That means
that's not really a warning. Ah!
No way. The house blew up.
Right. I saw that.
Think fast. Go on the pillar.
I'm on it.
Don't shoot for the wall.
Okay. I thought I was gonna make it. I really thought I was gonna make it. Oh shit. Nope.
I'm moving! I'm going to space! I'm going out of space!
See you later, suckers!
No! They went. That was awesome. Come on, click. Coffin dance.
What?
Coffin dance.
Okay.
Me when I have dead videos.
What? Go by.
Me when I have videos that are not used anymore. Watch out for rocks. Yay, they helped me. Get as high as possible.
Climb as high as possible. Is what it says.
What I say?
Get as high as possible.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Wrong word, everybody. I didn't read it correctly.
No!
That was not high!
That was as high as I could get as possible.
No, look. You were supposed to get
Climb
high.
every mountain.
Survive.
Oh my god. Okay.
I've become a noob.
Ooh. I died right away. I died.
Ooh, I survived.
I have been murdered. I have been murdered.
I did it. Yay! I win!
I have been murdered, and you know you love to be murdered.
14 cards!
You love murder. Get away from my house. Alright, bye.
Get away from the house. Look at the house is destroyed.
Me when someone says they don't fuck with sisters. What?
Watch out for the wall. There's another wall coming down. Huh. Oh, that's awesome. Oh! I was so close.
I was so close.
Should I buy body swap?
No.
Let's have a
No.
body swap. What about?
Not for this one. No.
Okay, maybe next time. maybe we'll play this next time, okay?
Yeah.
Let's play this next time, everybody, okay? So I can body swap. I'll swap you. I body swap into you.
We literally have the same body, though.
No,
Ah!
I have a different torso. I want to be like you. See how it feels like. Actually, I'll just do it to random people.
Yeah.
Just for the same people.
It's the most beautiful thing I've
Banana.
seen in my life.
It's a banana.
There's
a
a banana.
Oh my god.
It's raining tacos. From out of the sky. Tacos. Don't eat ass bar. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out in the street. Tacos. All you can eat. No, it's just... Alright. Don't go down there. It's dangerous. Try to shoot yourself. You literally killed yourself. This is his spot. I won! Whoa. What the? Wait, I can't become a noob.
Oh, shit.
I'm a noob.
That sucked.
I'm a be a noob.
I really feel
while
like I
doing
really
it.
thought I was going to be able to make it. I felt hopeful.
I'm making it. Whoa! Oh, Jenna!
What was that?
Jenna.
Who is Jenna? And why is she trying to kill me?
She's evil.
Well, I guess that makes sense. Oh my god, is she straight up stabbing people?
Jenna, away! Get away from me, Jenna!
Why is she crazy with it?
I'm safe. She can't get into my house. Whew. I'm safe here. That Jenna was so quick. Survived.
Oh my god.
Jason!
I didn't even know that was happening.
I just survived Jason. Jason's after us. No, Jason. No, Jason. I'm the last noob. You should not oofa. You should not oofa noob.
You should not oof a noob.
Because they're
Right. Never oof a noob.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get rope.
What? Why did I just die? Alright, well, that was crazy. Well, if you choose the wrong one.
Oh, okay. Well, we got like 2 more minutes left, so.
Okay. Alright, become a noob. I'm a noob. So I can become a noob. My name's ready, so I'll wait a second. I know that, wait a second. And then rub it up.
Ah! I jumped.
Oh, I did it!
Okay.
Again?
I guess so.
Okay, I'm just a noob, so, what a lucky guess. Because I was literally going on top of that.
What? Wait a minute, guys. I had it. Oh.
Wait, I can go through the button? Wow, that's something I never... Dance!
It's tricky to rock around the time. All time is tricky. It's tricky. Oh. Ooh.
Oh, I'm gonna... Skip this.
Skip them. Oh, shit. I didn't know they were coming from behind me.
Weirdo. No! I didn't know they were coming from
Thank
behind
you,
me.
that's what I just said.
Watch out for me.
Oh my god, how am I supposed to do that?
Meteors!
Alright, if I survive this round, we'll play one more. If not, then we'll say thanks for watching.
If not, then we'll make another round. If I don't win.
Alright, one more round.
Watch out for the rock.
Oh, okay.
Woohoo. One more round. This way. Jump.
Ah!
Fine, you have the same face for watching. One more round.
One more round, because I feel like I got cheated.
No!
No,
Black zone.
no, I don't think so. I don't think so. Science. No, thank you, science. No, thank you, science. No, thank you, science.
Alright, another round to survive that. Go to the red platform. Oh, what happens? Don't. They don't even try.
Okay, this will be the last one, guys.
Yes. I mean, yes.
Oh no, this will be the last one. That was way too short.
Gosh.
What is this?
Confidence. Okay, we're doing one more round because this is boring.
Oh yeah, this is boring.
Me when I make dead video. Wait. Me when I make a video that nobody uses anymore.
Me when someone says no, just because they're mean to you doesn't mean they're dead to you. Me. Carrying out their body. Boop, boop, boop.
Alright. This time.
Alright, last round.
Dance.
Just dance. Gonna be okay. Dance. Dance. Oh, what's happening? I'm confused right now.
Can we do another round?
I guess.
There's no music. So I've stopped.
Okay.
Okay, this is the part where I draw. Like, let's go. Could have been a new one.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. Ah!
Alright, yeah, we're gonna see if it's watching. My battery's low.
Okay. You get on top of the noob?
Yeah. Yeah, well, okay. Alright, everybody, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. My battery's low.
Comment, and subscribe. Bye.